Greeting friends, welcome back to Inktober 2025. Today is day 21 and we are looking at Butria by Ut Anderson. Might be Butria, we never really know. Okay, so let's work my way through here. All right, so I'm going to use this space. You know what? Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to add it here to Kangular because I am going to need to continue to double up with some. And I like you're going to see this shape. So this is going to start with a V. So actually, I love these two together. So then we're going to kind of imagine center. And we're going to draw a horizontal line through that center point. Now we're going to do a curve that goes from the top of the V on both sides. And then using that center dot again, we're going to do a C curve and a mirror C curve to put a seed in the bottom. And then we're going to divide these spaces and then we're just going to take each corner and we're going to add weight. So we're rounding those on both sides. And while Zentangle is not supposed to represent anything, you certainly could possibly see the idea of a butterfly, especially if you put two fescue at the top. But imagine instead if we auraed this side, just like we've been doing in many instances. And we make another one. And we could do the same thing going the other side. Adding this weight really does change things an awful lot, in the same way that we just weighted all the lines with mirth. So we're doing a lot of the same things, but we get completely different images. So imagine if you had the space and went all the way around. It really would make a beautiful combination, a beautiful roundish combination. And then, you could aura on the outside to kind of glue it together. Lots of things, lots of potential with this Butria. So this was Butria by Ut Anderson. And let's see, how might we want to shade this? I'm actually thinking it might be interesting to pull up the seed for starters. maybe we'll try to also put some shade in the top. Could be very interesting. Well, there you have it, friends. Butria by Oot Anderson. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.